You're so white.
Should I put my hair back? Or?
White is beautiful, embrace it. See my cleave, look at them. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my boyfriend. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my boyfriend, Sam. Right, don't do that face. Say hello. Say hello.
Yeah.
And he's going to be doing my makeup, so if you want to see him doing my makeup, then carry on watching.
That was next level.
Primer first, which is that pink one. You just rub it all over my face just to make it nice.
This is just an excuse for me to touch you.
Well, alright, that's enough.
I'll decide, yeah. Who's doing it, me or you?
Alright, come on.
Oh, yes. Get in them crevices, please. Oh, yes.
You should have washed your hands.
You've got to be able to feel it. Have you ever seen that episode of Simpsons? When he says you've got to be able to feel it, and he literally pulls this skin cat. No, what? He pulls the skin cat. This is a spray one.
Whoa, no it isn't. No it isn't a spray one.
No. I've seen you do that.
You have to.
Haven't I? Oh shit, I've got it all over your eyebrow.
Yeah, it's fine. You just colour it after.
This is not enough. There we go. Not so white now.
Should I put the camera up a bit because it's cropping off your head?
Well, it is a big head. Can you just like, I need some...
Alright.
Don't start doing all that. Can you make your chins into one chin, please? Yeah, because I haven't got that much foundation. I'm not supposed to be conserving it. Now, how far do we go? Because I always see girls with a lot of lines.
As you want.
You know, and you don't want to look when girls are going out there. This is a top tip for you ladies. If I can tell that your foundation's ending on your neck with a squiggly little line and it looks like you've got a foundation beard, you need to crop that off.
Also, he won't be looking at you, so he won't notice. Because you don't look at girls, do you?
Everyone does. Everyone looks out at people. See, I can tell now. We need a scarf to finish this look at the end. I need to get that snoz because that's a big oozer. I'm just getting there as well. Oh yeah. I'm a bit rough.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, really rough.
To be honest, yeah, I can't even see one flaw in that.
Wow.
I can't see anything wrong with
Really?
that. No.
I'll be the judge at the end. We'll do a reveal at the end.
I really can't.
Yeah?
I can't tell that I've done that.
Right, now we're going with bronzer.
Yeah.
Big one.
Yeah.
You know where that goes?
Yeah, I know where this one goes. Don't worry about that. Okay, we don't need a big brush for this one because we're only doing a little. Just go. I'll do it like you mean it next time. Right, stop smiling now.
Oh, right.
It's just a test. Put your face normal. Do a normal face. Why are you putting your head down like that? Who's down there? Yeah, that's it. But over here. That's not coming off as strong as I thought actually. This is just, you know, we're bringing out those cheeks, those wobbly cheeks. Gotta bring them out, girl, because the men just love that. Are your cheeks swollen?
I'm just fat.
Trust me, man.
No, I am trusting you, man.
Not your man.
You're not my man.
What? That's what I just said. To be honest, I've seen worse out there. I've seen worse out there.
Do you want me to tell you what you've done wrong with that step?
Why?
No, I'll tell you after what you've...
What have I done wrong?
Well, I use a big brush. You can really get the area then. If you're doing that, it's just a bit too precise.
And there is a big surface area there.
Big surface area.
Here we go.
Ah, right, yeah, you could go back in and just blend it out maybe a little bit more if you needed it.
Sleek makeup. Send us a bigger palette, yeah? This is a joke.
They did eyeball that.
Well, all I'm saying is send us a big one. Where does this go?
On my cheeks.
Well, Eh?
Blush,
I've
cheeks.
just done that.
No, that was bronzer. Now we just got...
This one?
It's like rosy cheeks.
You just shook your head.
No, I'll do what you want.
I don't like this anymore.
I would go in with a light tanned. You can also, that's a lot. I'm going to have bright pink cheeks. You can tap the end like this. So it's not so mental. Yeah, don't worry about that.
I feel like I just need to create a nice line and I need to just follow it in that line. And I'm not enjoying doing the cheeks.
No.
No, I've spent too long on them and now I want to move on, so that'll be enough of that.
Right, now we've got highlight.
What's that for?
You know.
No, I don't.
Glow.
For
Glow gal.
highlighting
Yeah.
words.
You could do it under the brows, you could do it in the inner corner, you could do it on the nose, you could do it on the head.
What? Baddie. I'm a baddie.
Never used that one before.
Don't you?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is it not coming off? Alright, eyebrows.
Yeah.
Eyebrow pencil. Just like remember what I said about being gentle.
You've got so many eyebrows that are not attached to your eyebrows. Oh no. Oh no. No, no, no. No, no.
Just don't worry about brows if you don't want.
No, I don't want to do that.
Now you can do eyes.
How?
What do you mean how?
With what?
Well, I've gave you two. There's the Nikki.
Something's not right. What
The
is
Nikki
it?
Tutorials palettes there.
Yeah.
Just be gentle with that one, yeah?
Why can't I open them, man? What's going to go well with this? We don't want you to look like a...
Tam.
I hope so. Who's Tam? Close your eyes, please.
Yeah, they're closed.
Close them. Oh yes, perfect selection, deal. Yeah. Can you like, you know, get your eye open, like, you know, give it a, like a, one of them stretches? Yeah, that's it. So I haven't got a wrinkly bag to go on. You're looking ravishing.
Shimmers are meant to be with your fingers, they say. Right. See that? Look at it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, no. I'm gonna go for Mila Kunis.
Who?
Mila Kunis. You don't know her?
Yeah, I do know.
Why are you saying who then?
Yeah, is she again?
Don't worry about it. I'm going, see, I'm changing up the makeup game. All you bitches do it the same. You're lame. Never again.
Yeah.
Never again. Oh god, that's dog shit. To be fair, I've seen worse looks on Glow Up. And they're on telly. Do you want a half-time review? Or not? Something like. Hopefully you're going to be able to hear me. I think they'll be able to hear me because my voice is quite loud, isn't it? It looks alright that side. I'm really not ashamed of that. But maybe because it's not in the light. Oh shit. Sorry, I've got to dry it. Are you ready now?
Going up, bro.
Can you edit that out, please? I fucking brushed my teeth. Ah!
Wait, I was meant to be asking you questions.
Where are they?
I've got them.
It's too late now.
No, we can do them by near the end. Alright, a few of you, I asked on my story for some questions for him as well while we're doing this.
Only 20 minutes in.
Yeah, well you don't have to stop, you can continue doing it while I'm
Oh.
asking if you want. Multitask.
Yes.
Alright, the question, do you agree that she should spend £40 on an eyeshadow palette?
Who asked that?
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Why shouldn't you spend £40 on it?
It's a question.
Oh, right.
God's sake.
Yeah, but I
It's
need
not-
a bit more context on that.
Well, yeah. Well, do you agree that I should spend £40 on an eyeshadow palette?
I've spent over way more than that on buying them for you, yeah, so why not?
Yeah.
That's the way, that's how much they cost, isn't it?
Yeah.
When you get it from big branded people, £40 is not that much really, is it?
No.
I've spent £40 on worse things. One couple hours in the pub's 40 quid and you gain nothing apart from a belly.
Yeah. What most annoying thing about Charlie? Nothing.
Bloody hell. Most annoying thing about you is that you won't leave me alone. That's the most annoying thing about you.
That's a lovely thing.
So lovely. That might be, it's not annoying, but you know, I'll just like, give me some space, innit, bitch? Bitch, give me my space.
Alright, what is the one thing that you don't like about Charlie's makeup? Also, I love you. That's to me, not you.
I'm touched. You should know. Same thing as before. If you watch the other video where I did the commentary, it's the. Oh, why am I looking down? I should be looking at that.
Should, yeah.
It's the eyelashes. I hate eyelashes.
Oh, fake eyelashes.
I don't like fake eyelashes. They're just ridiculous. Don't wear them.
Right, don't have to look in their souls now you found the camera.
Think that it's okay.
This is personal.
This is between me and thee. Baby.
If you could, where would you take me for a date? Oh, you asking.
Where would I take her for a date?
Back off, Mama.
Well, I won't go with you because we're going to take you on loads of dates, so I'll just go with her.
What?
And what would I do is, I tell you what I would do. I would turn up at your house and I would serenade you with a beautiful song. And then I would take you to the local park and feed the ducks some bread. And that's it.
Alright, so how long have you guys been dating? Yeah, we don't know, probably about 2-3 years.
2-3 years, something like that.
But we really have no idea.
Too long.
Okay. Will you get married?
No. No, probably not. I can't imagine getting married. It's not for me. It's just a piece
What
of
are you
paper.
saying that for?
Don't worry about it, it's my question. You didn't get a question. Yeah, so it's just a piece of paper, isn't it? And 2 expensive rings, and 1 expensive day, and 1 expensive 2 weeks after that. Don't see the need for that. I think we're doing just fine without it. So might as well continue on.
Who has the pants in a relationship?
Yeah, right.
You
Yeah,
can't fit
right.
into your pants.
Yeah, right. Yeah, basically me. It's 100% me. I do not get bossed around. I'll do what I want. I'm the boss.
Okay.
I know. Next question.
Our first date.
Yeah, I don't know. Don't know really.
I'm very good at answering these.
Well, you know, it's a bit of a shit question, isn't it? Who wants to know that?
Lily Bomb Squad. You never even took me on a date, that's why.
Don't get dramatic.
Alright, our next question is what's our last date?
Bowling. We went bowling, didn't we?
On my birthday.
We went it wasn't your birthday, it was a Saturday. Your birthday was on a Monday, so let's get that correct. Second of all, we went bowling. I won every single game.
I won every single game.
Come on now, we know who won, don't we? It was me.
We're both shaking. We're both like...
Yeah, I'm a bit like that anyway, am I? I'm a fidgeter. I can't keep still, can I?
No.
Everything I'm doing, I'm a shaky Stevens, baby.
Any pets?
What?
Have we got any pets?
Who are you? No, we haven't got any pets. I've had a pet before. I've had cats. But that's it really. It was way better without this. It was way better without this. Now they look like... What do they look like? They look crusty. They look crusty, like they've been blow dried. Blow dried?
Let me do it to you then, see how you feel when you're that close to my eye.
Is this
If
girlfriend...
that goes in my eye, that's bad.
Is this girlfriend does boyfriend's makeup?
No.
Well then,
So if you want that, how many likes do we need to get?
If you want that, 4 million. Stay still, please.
What the hell? You know I hate that.
Fuck! Hungry, eh? Oh, that is your lip. That was on your lip. I thought it'd gone out. Your lips are fucked. It's all like that. You must fix it when you do it. Better.
How have you got your bloody head pepper all in your head, on your head?
Better. Okay, what's next? It looks alright, to be fair. I mean, to be honest, not that bad.
Alright, let me have a little reveal then. Come over this way.
Finally reveal it. Right, are we ready? What's behind door number 2? Done. Ignore that lip bit.
Well, yeah, you really messed up the lips there.
Yeah, but the lips are alright apart from that red line, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much.
To be honest.
I see what you mean. That is a shimmery eyeshadow. The face is fine.
Is it?
I mean,
I'd
sort it out a bit.
It's that bit. This is the bit I was on about here. It was like, I don't know, it's like, I don't know.
And also you've got like this...
Yeah, C sort of shape there.
Yeah, I mean, I put bronzer up here as well. And
Well, now you realise you don't need it.
No, I do. And I'm not sure about the under flick. I mean, it is different.
It is different, isn't it? See, I'm taking it to new heights. You just be doing the same thing every day. Yawn.
Alright, well, now we have to say bye.
See ya. See you later, bye. That's the outro. S to the B, S to the B's makeup palace. And subscribe, comment and share. Thanks everyone for watching. Thanks for the questions. I can't wait to go out and feed the ducks.